Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set ringtone on Zedge application. Keep watching the video till the end. To set ringtone on Zedge, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. You will end up on the home page of your Zedge account. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on ringtones. Select the ringtone and tap on it. On the next page, click on download icon. List of options will pop up on the screen. Tap on set ringtone option. Allow permission by sliding the slider of allow, modifying system setting to the right side, and that's how you will be able to set ringtone on Zedge application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.